So when we're looking at this discussion, the question is, describe the general immigration trends of the period. What forms of the natives' response to this immigration take? Okay, so what we're looking at is really two major immigrant groups. You need to name these two immigrant groups specifically from what areas of Europe they're coming from and coming into the United States in the early part of the 1800s up to around 1850. Why did they come over? What challenges did they face? What was their success rate? And then the second thing, you're looking at the nativists. Nativists are native-born American citizens. Look at them like, they're not like us at all, okay? Well, why did they fear these people, the xenophobia? And this is something that hasn't changed. So I always get a chuckle when we have problems of even looking at today of immigration, and people say, well, this is not America. This is not what America's about. I'm like, well, hello, open up a history book. Yes, it is. Nothing's really changed of the fear of foreigners coming into our country and the fear that they're going to upset how we think, how we feel, and our moral values and such. So, first part, you're going to name the two major immigrant groups. Why did they come over? Challenges they face, success rates, and so forth. The second one, who are the nativists? Why were they so set against some of these immigrants? And what steps did they take to try to limit or try to keep them possibly from coming out? Okay? So, as before, you can always send me your discussion before Thursday at 4 p.m. I'll look over it, critique it, and let's get you to a better grade. So let's have a good week.